In this video, I will be showing you how you can create remote view of your CCTV cameras for viewing on your mobile phone. What I mean by remote view is that from wherever you are in the world, you should be able to view your cameras from your mobile phone. And I'll be using this 3 camera setup that I have connected to my TV screen for this demonstration. So join me as we look at how to do it together. This is a very simple setup. As you can see, I have my DVR here to which these 3 cameras are connected to, and then I also have my router, is a SIM router, which is also connected into the DVR, which is providing internet service into the DVR. The output of the DVR is what you are seeing on the screen currently, and it is showing the 3 cameras that I've just shown you on the table. And so we'll try to carry out some basic settings on the DVR, and so follow it up on the screen as we do it together. So we'll first of all access the main menu of the DVR by a right click on the screen and go to menu. So go to configuration and then come down to network. Now under network, we are interested in platform access. So click on platform access. And one very important information we need to check is the connection status, where we have the connection status online. That simply means that there is internet present on this DVR. So we are good to go. From there, the next thing to do is to scan this QR code that is on the screen to be able to download the app on which we would have to view this DVR or these cameras on our mobile phone. So for those that are for the first time accessing or trying to view their cameras on their mobile phone, there is the need to download the app by the scan of the QR code. But for me, I have already installed the app on my phone already. So I will want to quickly open it up and show you what you should have to do when you finish downloading and installing the app on your phone. So this is my phone's screen. So I want to be able to access the app that I downloaded from the scan of the QR code. And it is right here, the Hik Connect app. So this is the app for Hikvision remote view on phone. So I will have to open it up after I have registered myself on the app. I will have to tap on it to open it up. So I'll tap on it. So this is the home page of the app when you open it up. So I'll tap on add device to be able to add the DVR for the remote view. So I'll tap on add device. It's asking me of the method I wish to use in adding the device. I would like to scan the QR code of the device. And so when I tap on QR code, scan QR code, it opens up the QR code scanner. And because I pointed it to my screen, it has already picked up my device. So I'll just tap on next. And then it is asking me if I need to enable the audio collection capability for a channel to get its audio during the live view and playback. That is for cameras that have audio. So if your cameras have audio, you will need to set this up. So I'll just tap on finish. And then from there, I'll skip this process as well. This is the service provider authorization. That is, if you are installing it for a client of which you are supposed to use the installers app, if you have an installers app, this is when you go through this process. Other than that, I'll just skip this process. And you can see the 4 camera windows that are presented to us. So when you tap each camera, you see you have a live view of the camera. This is a camera that is live right here. When I wave at it, you see that it is a live camera. If you want to view the 4 cameras together, you can tap on the box here and choose 4. That's the number I want to view. And then you can see that the 4 windows have been displayed for us. And you can see my cameras in the background. When I wave at the cameras, you can see that these are live cameras. You can see when let me point it to see my face. You can see that it's a live camera that we have here. And so this is a remote view of the camera. Mind you, if I move away with this mobile phone,
I will still be able to view these cameras because this is really on the internet. So this is the remote view setup for a Hikvision CCTV camera. The process is similar for all other brands of cameras. When you follow the principle, you should be able to get it without stress. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please ensure you give it a thumbs up and you also share it as much as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.